Hello there, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars. And in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday, yes, still Friday, November the 20th, 2020, the last Sudoku in this additional is a 4 stars tectonic, and this one will be number 1915. No, yes, 15. Yes, correct. So let's get started. Do we have here a single box? That's the first question. We have a single box here. So single box is always a 1. That means those 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Do we have dual boxes? No. Triple boxes? Yes. Triple box. 1 and the 3 are already filled in, so 1 digit left should be the 2. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Definitely a 4. Then. Yeah. Dual box. Overlooked. 1 and a 2. Yes. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Those, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes then. So the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. That means those 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. Yes. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those for you. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4. And this box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 3. Yeah, let me mark those, 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2 because we need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. It cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, and it cannot be a 5. So this box should be a 1. 3 or 5, this one. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 4, that box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. That means those 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be in one of those 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any one in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means those 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. But I see here also a 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And 1 box left for the 3. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. 4 and a 5 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, and cannot be a 5. Yes. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left for the 5. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4, so it's definitely a 5. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. How about the 3? Yeah. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2, 5, 3 are left. 3, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 5 and the 3 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 3 and a 4. 1, 5, 2, 3 or 4. This box is 3 or 4. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore, because I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. So this should be the 3, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. Those two boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1. The 1 goes here, and the 3 goes in there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file if you want to make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.